Good morning, friends. Here I am with another episode of Hibernation, the Varaha Avatara, which is the third avatara of the Dashavatar the Lord has taken. Let's know more about it. Along with Brahma, the creator, and Shiva, the destroyer, Lord Vishnu is one of the three main male deities in Hinduism, and they are together known as the Trimurti. Being a part of the Trinity, he has taken 10 incarnations or the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu or Dashavatara are the several forms he took whenever the universe was in turmoil. Each of the Vishnu avatars had the same purpose which he achieved by different means. The divine purpose was the restoration of dharma or righteousness and to save the planet and the good people from the hands of evils, demons or asuras. The third avatar of Lord Vishnu is the Varaha avatar. Varaha meaning boar in Sanskrit, which he took in the Satyug. In this avatar, Lord Vishnu incarnated as a boar to protect the earth. The Varaha avatar starts with the doorkeepers of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu lived in Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha was guarded by two gatekeepers, Jaya and Vijaya. They loved Lord Vishnu and felt honored that they were protecting him. There were many people who came to visit Lord Vishnu, and it was Jaya's and Vijaya's job to allow every person who had grievance to see the Lord. They knew that Lord Vishnu's time was precious and could not be wasted. One day, Lord Brahma's four sons came to meet Lord Vishnu at his abode Vaikuntha. Since Lord Vishnu was resting at that time, the two guards named Jaya and Vijaya stopped them from entering the gates. Lord Brahma's sons were very angry and they cursed Jaya and Vijaya to be born as humans on earth. Guards pleaded them, but Lord Brahma's son wouldn't listen. Lord Vishnu, after hearing some noises, arrived at the spot and apologized to his guards, saying they were just doing their duty. But the curse can't be taken back, saying that Lord Brahma's sons left. Lord Vishnu then addressed his guards and said that the curse would be lifted if you both in human forms would meet your death at my hands. The guards had no choice but to agree to this. Both the guards were born as brothers named Hiranyakashyap and Hiranyaksh. Hiranyaksh was a great devotee of Lord Brahma. He worshipped him for years, and in return, Lord Brahma gave him a boon. According to the boon, no god, human, asura, devata, animal, or beast would kill him. Hiranyaksh started torturing the people on earth as he was assured of his immortality. His powers grew day by day. He was such a giant that Mother Earth trembled when he walked and the sky cracked when he shouted. He started harassing Devatas and invaded Indra's palace. Fearing for his lives, Devatas took shelter in the caves of mountain ranges of earth. To harass Devatas, Hiranyaksha grabbed earth and submerged it in Patal Lok. Mother Earth sank to the bottom of the ocean. At this time, Manu and his wife Shatarupa were ruling over earth. Seeing this, Manu and his wife came to Lord Brahma, bowed, and said, Father, tell us how we may serve you and ensure our happiness in this world and the next. Where should Shatarupa and I live as Mother Earth is submerged in the ocean. Lord Brahma became worried and thought that Mother Earth should be rescued. He said, Hiranyaksha will not be destroyed by me because I have granted him a boon. Let's take the help of Lord Vishnu. As Brahma meditated to Lord Vishnu, he sang Sri Devi Bhudevi Agupinsademi బంధువు నీవనుచు భారము నీదనుచు భక్తితో శరణనుచు నీవే దిక్కని నమ్మితిమి నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Then a tiny boar fell from Brahma's nostrils. Wondering what that creature was, it grew and grew till it was the size of a large mountain. It was Lord Vishnu, and he said, I will enter into the ocean to lift Mother Earth out of it. He took the form of a boar to kill Hiranyaksha, because while getting the boon from Lord Brahma, among all the animals, Hiranyaksha forgot to mention boar as an animal. Emitting a terrifying roar, Lord Vishnu took one mighty leap into the air and tore the clouds with its hoofs and dived to the bed of the ocean in search of Mother Earth. He reached the other end of the ocean and discovered in its depths Bhudevi, Mother Earth. Meanwhile, Hiranyaksha rushed to the seashore where he encountered Varuna, Lord of the ocean, and challenged him, O Supreme Lord, O guardian of the whole sphere, come and have battle with me. Varuna became very angry as he knew that at this moment Hiranyaksha was mightier than him. So he curbed his anger and said, I have given up fighting. As I am too old, you must fight with Vishnu. None but he alone would be an equal opponent for you. Go seek him out. Suddenly, Narada arrived there. Hiranyaksha asked him, Do you know the whereabouts of Vishnu? Narada told him that Lord Vishnu was in the ocean rescuing Mother Earth. Angry, Hiranyaksha charged towards the ocean bed. Meanwhile, the boar had just dug his tusk into the ocean bed and lifted Mother Earth onto it and began rising towards the surface. Hiranyaksha rushed towards him with a mace in his hand, saying, You fraudulent fellow, where are you carrying away the earth conquered by me? Stop, or I'll crush your head with this mace. Hiranyaksha challenged Lord Vishnu, who was in the form of a boar, to have battle with him, but Vishnu ignored all his warnings and continued rising to the surface. Seeing this, Hiranyaksha chases him, but the boar doesn't even look back. Hiranyaksha said, Wait, you impostor! I know you can defeat all with your magic power, but at present you are near me and I'll surely defeat you. The boar escaped to put Mother Earth at a safe place. To this, Hiranyaksha became very angry and shouted, How can you run away like a coward? Return me my earth. The earth was already frightened, but seeing Hiranyaksha, it began to tremble more. Lord Vishnu in Varaha Avatar brought earth over the surface of the ocean and placed it gently on its axis and blessed it. He then turned to face Hiranyaksha. The demon threw his mace at the boar, but the boar stepped aside and raised his mace. They fought for a long time with their mace. Now Brahma warned Vishnu, You have only an hour before the sunset. Destroy the demon before it's dark so that he gets no opportunity to resort to his black magic. Hearing Brahma's words, Hiranyaksha hurled his mace towards Lord Vishnu, but later flung it away. Having lost the mace, Hiranyaksha began hitting out with his fists on the chest of the boar. Lord Vishnu in Varaha Avatara hit Hiranyaksha hard on his face with his fist and tossed him in the air. He fell over his head and died on the spot. Manu got his earth back and the gods got back their heaven. In this way, Lord Vishnu in Varaha Avatar slayed Hiranyaksha and saved Mother Earth from harm. Every time when the Mother Earth was in difficulty, Lord has come and has protected it and has protected his devotees. Let's sing a small hymn. బంధువు నీవనుచు భారము నీదనుచు భక్తితో శరణనుచు నీవే దిక్కని నమ్మితి మీ తండ్రి నీవే దిక్కని నమ్మితి మీ తండ్రి నారాయణ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ